It's a well-known fact that new inventions only come about after analyzing existing products. We at Eterna were not satisfied with the efficiency and energy output of existing mechanical watch movements, which is why we've invented a completely new concept for the design of the watch movement mechanism, a design which had been unchanged for centuries. The key to our success is the mounting of important rotating parts on ball bearings in the new Eterna Caliber 3800. For 150 years, engineers and watchmakers at Eterna in Grenchen in Switzerland have been striving to perfect the design of the mechanical watch movement. We know that this is how they developed the ball bearing mounted rotor in the past. Now, almost 60 years after this revolutionary invention, Eterna is using a new generation of ball bearings to make its movements. These ball bearings have again been developed together with Micro Precision Systems. Micro Precision Systems was also involved in the invention of the ball bearing mounted rotor. The spheres of the new ball bearings are not made of metal but ceramic. Extremely hard, ceramic spheres have the advantage of being able to run without lubrication. In addition, they are much smaller than the metal spheres used for mounting rotors nowadays, which means that ceramic spheres can also be used for mounting very small rotating parts in the watch movement. The barrel drum of the Eterna Caliber 3800 is mounted unsupported on ball bearings on a collar screwed onto the bottom plate. Its tilt and end shake are minimal. The engagement in the adjacent watch train is almost perfect. The barrel arbor is dual mounted on ball bearings independently of the spring barrel, which considerably reduces the friction of the winding device. The energy output of the mechanism remains stable for longer than that of an ordinary movement. Lubrication-free mounting of rotating parts in watch movements is the dream of all watchmakers. Eterna has taken a huge step towards achieving this dream. The Eterna Caliber 3800 is the first watch movement in the long history of watchmaking in which the barrel drum, the barrel arbor and the crown wheels are mounted on lubrication-free ceramic ball bearings. With this groundbreaking innovation, Eterna is setting new, previously unattained standards in terms of precision and efficiency in the mechanical watch's motor. The crown wheels of the manual winding device on the Eterna Caliber 3800 are also mounted on ceramic ball bearings. Less force is required to wind up the movement. In addition, there's hardly any wear on the mechanism, and consequently, the movement has an extremely long life. The Eterna Caliber 3800 will form the basis of a series of movements to be developed by Eterna. Thanks to the improvements in energy storage and energy output in this movement, the efficiency of the mechanical watch movement has been raised to a new level. The Eterna Caliber 3800 has established the basis for a new generation of watch movements. Eterna has reinvented the design of the winding device, a design which had not previously been changed for centuries. The core of this revolutionary innovation is the small spheres which Eterna first set rolling 60 years ago. Eterna's engineers and watchmakers are continuing what their predecessors had always been endeavoring to do in Grenchen: make perfect mechanical watches.